So one of the things we can do, I call this a semantic knowledge graph, is we can take a term, for example, give you the context of what we're doing on this slide. I'm going to take the term server. I'm going to then traverse to a category field. So is the category DevOps, cooking, travel, or sci-fi in this case? I'm traversing to that field, and it's asking the search engine to rank the semantic similarity between the word server and the category in the category field. Another way to think of this is I'm dynamically I'm invoking a classifier dynamically to say for the word server, what are the most likely categories I can classify server into? But once I've done that, remember we can traverse multiple levels. So I'm going to go from server to a category. And then within that category, I'm going to traverse to other terms and say, find me the most semantically similar terms within the category of DevOps related to server, or within the category of cooking related to server. So what I actually end up getting is, for the query server, the most likely category that is the most semantically related is DevOps, in my data set at least. And within DevOps, server is related to things like Docker, code, deploy, Nginx, Jenkins, etc. But in the next most likely category of cooking, server is related to things like restaurant, pie, knife, staff, dish. And travel, server is related to things like tipping, restaurant, tips, bill, and also some other ones like VPN and firewall, which are like, well, that doesn't have anything to do. Oh wait, travel. What do you do when you travel? You use a VPN, and you maybe have to get around a firewall, right? And then in Sci-Fi, servers things like grid, network, shutdown, and hacker, right? Because they're related to servers, but when I look at Sci-Fi, these are the things that really matter. But all of this is just being done. There's no LLMs here. There's no vector embedding models. This is purely just looking at your data. I've got some documents, I index them, and I'm literally just looking at the words that are connecting across different fields within my data. And you can do all of this out of the box with this inverted index.